Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Top 15 tips for a healthy heart. So make sure to watch the full video. 15. Eat a balanced diet. A nutrient-rich diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy heart. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Emphasize foods that are low in sodium, added sugars, and trans fats. Incorporate heart-healthy choices like avocados, berries, leafy greens, oily fish, nuts, and seeds into your meals. Strive for portion control and mindful eating to maintain a balanced and nourishing diet. 14. Engage in regular physical activity. Regular exercise is a powerful tool for promoting heart health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. Find activities you enjoy, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Additionally, incorporate strength training exercises to improve muscle strength and overall fitness. Remember to warm up before exercising and cool down afterward to prevent injuries. 13. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for optimal heart health. Excess weight puts strain on the heart and increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine your ideal weight range based on your body mass index (BMI) and build a personalized plan for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Focus on a combination of balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and mindful eating habits to support your weight management goals. 12. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the most significant risk factors for heart disease. Quitting smoking is a crucial step towards improving your heart health. Seek support from healthcare professionals, smoking cessation programs, or support groups to help you quit smoking. Explore various strategies such as nicotine replacement therapy, counseling, or medications that can aid in your journey to becoming smoke-free. Remember that quitting smoking offers immediate and long-term benefits for your heart health. 11. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your heart health. It's important to develop effective stress management techniques to support your overall well-being. Incorporate stress reduction practices such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies and activities that bring you joy. Prioritize self-care and establish a healthy work-life balance to minimize stress levels and promote a calm and resilient mind. 10. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can have detrimental effects on your heart health. It's crucial to consume alcohol in moderation or avoid it altogether. For men, moderate alcohol consumption is typically defined as up to 2 drinks per day, while for women, it's up to 1 drink per day. It's important to note that excessive alcohol intake can increase blood pressure, contribute to weight gain, and lead to various heart-related problems. If you choose to drink, do so responsibly and be mindful of your alcohol consumption. 9. Monitor blood pressure. Monitoring your blood pressure regularly is key to understanding your heart health. High blood pressure, hypertension, is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Get your blood pressure checked regularly, either at home or during healthcare visits. If you have high blood pressure, work with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized plan that may include lifestyle changes, such as adopting a heart-healthy diet, engaging in regular exercise, reducing sodium intake, managing stress, and taking prescribed medications as needed. 8. Control cholesterol levels. High cholesterol levels can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Monitor your cholesterol levels through regular screenings and work with your healthcare provider to manage them effectively. Follow a balanced diet low in saturated and trans fats. Incorporate cholesterol-lowering foods like oats, legumes, and fatty fish into your diet, and consider medication if prescribed by your healthcare provider. 7. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for heart health and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can disrupt normal physiological processes, leading to increased stress, inflammation, and an elevated risk of heart disease. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, create a sleep-friendly environment. Limit screen time before bed, and practice good sleep hygiene habits to promote restful and rejuvenating sleep. 6. Regular health checkups. Regular health checkups are vital for assessing your overall health, including your heart health. Schedule routine appointments with your healthcare provider for comprehensive checkups, screenings, and assessments of your heart health. These checkups may include measurements of blood pressure, cholesterol levels, blood sugar, and other relevant tests to monitor your heart health. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized guidance and recommendations based on your risk factors and health status. 5. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for optimal heart health. Drinking plenty of water helps regulate blood pressure, improves circulation, and supports overall cardiovascular function. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider incorporating hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into your diet. 4. Practice mindfulness and stress reduction. Chronic stress can hurt heart health. Engaging in mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help reduce stress levels, promote relaxation, and improve overall well-being. Find activities that help you unwind and make them a regular part of your routine. 3. Get regular physical exams. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are crucial for monitoring your heart health. Schedule routine physical exams to assess your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and other vital indicators. These exams can help identify any potential issues early on and allow for timely intervention or treatment. 2. Limit processed foods and added sugars. Diets high in processed foods and added sugars have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. To promote heart health, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Minimize the consumption of sugary snacks, beverages, and processed foods high in trans fats and sodium. 1. Practice gratitude and positivity. Cultivating a positive mindset and expressing gratitude have been associated with improved heart health. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Spend time with loved ones. Practice gratitude by expressing appreciation for the good things in your life, and surround yourself with positive influences. A positive outlook can help reduce stress, improve emotional well-being, and contribute to overall heart health. Prioritizing heart health is essential for maintaining a vibrant and fulfilling life. By incorporating these top 15 tips for a healthy heart in your lifestyle, you can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and promote overall well-being. Remember to eat a balanced diet, engage in regular physical activity, maintain a healthy weight, quit smoking, manage stress effectively, limit alcohol consumption, monitor blood pressure and cholesterol levels, get enough sleep, and schedule regular health checkups. By making these positive lifestyle choices, you can improve your cardiovascular health, boost your energy levels, enhance your mental well-being, and reduce the risk of heart-related complications. Remember that small, consistent changes can have a profound impact on your heart health over time. It's never too late to start taking care of your heart, and every positive step you take brings you closer to a healthier and happier life. Take the initiative to prioritize your heart health today. Embrace these tips as lifelong habits and seek support from healthcare professionals, nutritionists, fitness experts, and other resources to guide you on your journey towards a healthy heart. Your heart will thank you for the care and attention you invest in it, and you'll enjoy the benefits of improved vitality and longevity for years to come. Remember, a healthy heart is the foundation for a healthy life. Make heart health a priority and experience the joy of living with a strong and resilient cardiovascular system. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.